falling. Wow, nice man. This is the first time in my life I'm experiencing snowfall. Hey guys, good morning. So today the climate is a bit okay. It's not rainy like yesterday, so I have planned to leave from here today. So guys, I have packed all my luggage and I have tied it on the bike. Some old rope which I got. So yeah, all set to leave for Spiti Valley right now. On the way I will buy some bungee cords and then attach it over this rope. So yeah, let's go. Without the bungee cords, the bags are really loose, so I need to buy them as soon as possible. But for now, I'm just gonna have to drive really slow. So finally, we found some bungee cords. So I'm gonna stop the bike here and then tie the luggages properly. So guys, hi again. I have stopped here for a small cup of tea or coffee or something. And most of the places in Himachal, you know what, they have good viewpoints. That is the thing. I'll show you the view guys in a moment. So first let me just get down from the bike, which seems to be a big task actually. I'm not able to lift my leg and it's really hectic actually. So this is how I've been managing to get down from the bike. It's really tough guys. So make sure when you guys tie the luggage, make sure it's not as stupid as I have done. This is not a good job guys. I'm unable to put my leg on, I'm unable to take it off. And 120 kg guy doing all this, it's tough. So okay, let's not wait anymore. Let's go and see what they are. They have chai coffee, hai na? Just check this view guys, it's amazing. Isn't it? Let me show you a closer look of it. See, all these white nets, they are apple forms. Like I said earlier, they are for covering the apple and protecting it from the hailstones which fall. I think during the months of winter. Just gonna have a nice and hot cup of tea. Let's have a seat. Okay, let's have a seat. I've already ordered the tea and we are preparing the tea inside the kitchen. hailing. The snow. I was just thinking that the trees are shedding some seeds or something, but it's actually, you know, it's ice. I'll show you guys close up. Just look at this. It's ice, guys. Wow. Thank God it's not raining. I didn't want to get wet. This is not a problem actually. It's falling. Wow. Nice, man. This is the first time in my life I'm experiencing snowfall. You know, actually, I have seen snow which was already fallen, and this is the first time I'm seeing it live. So guys, it was snowing a bit earlier, and I was forced to stop over here, and I had to have some tea. They made me some awesome tea, and we stopped at this place for a while. Giri Bhojanalaya, that's the name of this place. These guys, they were very friendly, and they let me use my hair dryer for a while so that I could dry myself up a little bit before the journey. It's really cold, guys. Suddenly it started snowing, and now it has stopped snowing, so I think I will have to start riding my bike again. I will find the nearest place to stay for tonight, because I don't want to get stuck somewhere in the rain at night time, and it's not safe to travel at night as well. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So right now I'm about to leave, so I'll catch you guys once I reach the next location. Okay, bye. गाड़ी स्लिप तो नहीं हो जाएगा ना भाई? नहीं बहुत स्लिपरी लग रहा है. थोड़ा अपने हिसाब से देख लेना सर आपने. जी ठीक है. थोड़ा ये थैंक यू सो मच. हम वापस आएंगे और चलो आप अंदर नहीं सकते. Let me just go in and check the room, and then I will get the luggage. It's so cold, man. Thankfully we reached Enfield here. My clothes are all wet, and